did have a user that had a problem in the business pipeline piece, and the scroll wasn't working. So on my mouse, I've got a Mac, and if I use my finger and I just left and right, it scrolls left and right. If I move my finger up and down, it goes up and down. If you've got Windows, you may not have a mouse exactly like this, but a lot of times they have a little scroll wheel, and you can scroll up or down, and then a lot of times you can move the mouse left or right, and it scrolls left to right if you've got a scroll mouse. In the pipeline, in the business pipeline, I was using the mouse like I normally do, and it was scrolling and stuff like that, but the scroll bars weren't showing, and it made it tough. So I did add the scroll bars for those people that don't have scroll mouses, which are extremely nice. If you're used to them, you wouldn't do without it. But you do have the ability to scroll easier now with scroll bars in that business pipeline.